Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce some of the new products on my right hand. This is a coffee urn, and let me give the overall dimensions first. So the unit's entire depth is almost about like 12 inches. And the overall height of the units, they are almost about like 16.5 inches tall. And they do have a cap locks on top of the units. We need to twist it to open it. And for this pole, the diameters in the centers, it is about like 8 3/4 inches. And we can see the inner side, they give you a couple accessories. They have a holder pantries. You can put all the coffees here and drop the waters in. And the inner side, we can see they have a faucet connections through this tube. And the overall heights, they are almost about like 9.5 inches tall. They do having the small display here to give you the levels to see the measurements of how many waters you put inside. And looking the behind of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it. And also they do using the standard 110 plugs, using the power about like 950 watts. And the standard plugs look like this. And the outside of it, we can see they do have an indicator lights to notify you they're running, and also they do have a switch. So this will be the all demonstration information about this coffee urn. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.